In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ERR CERT weak signature algorithm in Google Chrome. This message usually appears when Chrome thinks a site's security certificate uses a weak or outdated signature. Sometimes the problem is on the website's end, but cached data, misbehaving extensions, or a corrupted profile can also trigger the warning. We're going to clean up Chrome, disable potential conflicts, and reset core settings so you can test the site again safely. Start by opening Chrome and clicking the three dots in the top right corner, then choose Settings. On the left, open Privacy and Security. Here, select Clear Browsing Data. In the dialog, choose a suitable time range like all time if you want a thorough cleanup, and make sure cached images and files are selected. You can include cookies if you're comfortable signing back into sites afterward. When you're ready, click Delete Data. Clearing cached content ensures Chrome fetches the most up-to-date certificate information instead of relying on something stale. Next, return to the main Chrome menu and open Extensions. You'll see all installed add-ons. Toggle the switch to disable every extension. This is a quick way to rule out anything that intercepts or rewrites traffic, such as security, VPN, proxy, or content filtering tools. After you flip the master switch, take a moment to confirm each extension is off. If the error disappears later, you'll know one of these was the cause, and you can re-enable them one by one to identify the culprit. Now go back to Settings, use the search box at the top and type Reset. Look for Restore Settings to their original defaults and click it. Review what this reset does. It returns your startup page, new tab and search engine to defaults, disables all extensions, and clears temporary data like cookies. It does not delete bookmarks, history, or saved passwords. When you're comfortable, click Reset Settings. This step repairs underlying configuration issues that can persist even after clearing cache. Finally, close and restart Chrome. Relaunch the browser, then navigate back to the site that showed the error and check if the page loads securely. If the message is gone, you're all set. If you still see the warning, the website may be using an outdated or weak certificate signature that only the site owner can fix. In that case, avoid entering any sensitive information on the page until the certificate is updated. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you resolve the error quickly and safely.